Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technology's YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can customize this Google logo here into your own name or your own brand name like this. And so without wasting much time, let us get into the video. First of all, you need to launch your own favorite browser or any browser of your choice, and I launch Microsoft Edge over here. So you head straight to this menu icon here. You click on it and then you will see extensions. So you click on extensions and it will open something like this. You open Microsoft Edge add-ons and then you search for MindDodo over here. Okay, so you search for MindDodo, click on get here, and then it will be installed into your system. After that, you can just visit the Google's logo is written. So you click on the icon over here, which is the extensions icon. You click on it and then you will see that particular extension you just added earlier. So you click on it like this and it will open. So you see we have image and clock and then text. So you take it to where the text is, and then the placeholder being Google, that text box you can enter any text of your choice over here. So assuming I enter maybe my name over here, and that is something like, maybe I enter Sharif over here. Okay, you can see as I'm typing, if you can see my background, you can see as I'm typing it is already changing it into whatever I'm typing over here. So after that everything, you can click on show preview here and it will show how this is looking. And also you can customize, or you can format the text you have written by zooming it in or out, and also by moving it up or down over here, as you can see. So this is what I wrote, and that is my name, Sharif Technologies. Okay, so you can see I also wrote my audience over here, and I formatted it to be, I zoom it in and out and then making it somehow big. So this is what I have for you today. Don't forget to be a subscriber before you leave, and also like and share this video for others to also benefit from it. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.